Good morning, and welcome to Rise and Shine with a Smile. As you drift and float from sleep to wake, I want you to just relax in your bed and don't worry about getting up right now. Just let my voice flow and soothe you for the next little bit. Keep your body in a comfy and cozy position and remain still for the time being. If you can, think back to the dreams you were just having. Our dreams are powerful tools that help us sort through problems and alert us of things we need to work on. Remember every detail of your dreams right now and allow things to come up in your mind from those dreams that could be very important messages for your waking life. So, what were you just dreaming about? Can you kind of imagine that you're dreaming again right now? What you are doing right now is actively dreaming, which will allow you to take information from the unconscious world into your conscious mind. So just dream and float. Float and dream. Learn things you need to learn. And see things you need to see. Good. I'm going to count from 1 to 10, and with each number I say, you are going to allow your dreams to blend with a picture in your mind of what you want your day ahead to look like. 1. How do you see your day playing out? 2. And what were you just dreaming about? 3. What do you want to make happen today? 4. And see your day as productive. 5. See your day as joyful. 6. See your day as fulfilled. 7. See connection to yourself and others. 8. See yourself motivated and accomplishing things. 9. See and feel yourself smiling. And 10. I want you to take this picture that you have created of this beautiful day in front of you and make it as vivid as possible. See the colors brightly. Visualize yourself interacting with others in positive ways. Witness yourself fully motivated toward your goals. Make this visualization as detailed as you possibly can. Allow the day to fully play out in your mind exactly how you desire it to be. What are you doing? And where are you going? What kinds of things do you see? And what kind of people are you talking with? Good. Take a really big, refreshing, deep breath to set this image in store. And one more deep and full breath for good luck. Nice. We're going to begin a movement scan to slowly energize your body and get started for this amazing day you have created in your mind. So begin to move your hips slightly from side to side in a small rocking motion for a few moments, and stop. Wiggle your toes for a few seconds, and stop. Move your hips again back and forth for a little while, and stop. Wiggle all of your fingers and thumbs, and stop. And back to the hips. Imagine you're dancing a little in your sleeping position. And stop. And move your head around whichever way it feels best. Imagining that you are bobbing your head to a song you like. And stop. Back to the hips, wiggle and dance, and stop. Now take a huge breath in of fresh air, and then let it go. And take another deep breath. And imagine that as you inhale, fresh, exciting energy is coming in. And then just let it out and relax. Good. And now remember again that picture of your day ahead of you that you created a minute ago. Vividly see yourself motivated and full of energy. See yourself smiling and accomplishing these things with ease. Another deep breath in, pulling this image into your wakeful life as you breathe. And exhale, wiggle your whole body like you're dancing a little bit while laying down in your bed. You're dancing in bed before you even get up because you're excited about the day ahead of you that you have created. Moving your whole body and head now while breathing that fresh, energizing oxygen and seeing your day play out just how you want it to. You can stop dancing now and prepare to wake up, ready to start your day. I'm going to count one more time, very rapidly, and with each number I say, you will feel more and more awake, excited to make your dreams a reality. 1. See that vision of yourself clearly. 2. 3. Breathe that fresh air. 4. Moving and stretching your whole body now, waking up your muscles. And 5. Eyes open, fully awake, and ready to tackle the day with a smile.